Yo, yo.
For me, not
Yo, yo. Trail in the building. Ella in the building. How y'all doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Doing good, brother. I appreciate y'all jumping on with me tonight. I got my homie Jazzy in the building. Got that Cordarius in the club. Hopefully everybody doing good. What's up, Cordarius? Meter reader gang. Gonna let a few more people get on. We're gonna start. I got something for y'all. Yo, drop a 1 in the chat if you new tonight. If you new, if this your first time getting on one of my trade trying to drop a 1 in the chat. I'm blessing everybody tonight. So if you got a homie on the team that you ain't told about this trade train tonight, you better tell them now. I'm giving out some sauce tonight. I'm giving out an indicator that's gone tough. Jazzy already know how I'm coming. Oh, yeah, Ella and Trey, y'all about to be blessed. Shout out to Miss Sherry. Miss Sherry is in the club.
Yes. Hi, AJ.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. We're just going to let a few more people get in.
Okay.
Now, let me put a reminder in the chat. Shout out to, I got Ty Pips in the building. Shout out to Ty Pips. Shout out to Kathleen.
Oh, man.
Yay.
Let me in this thing.
Oh, yeah, you already. Gonna let a few more people get in, y'all. We're gonna start. I got some sauce for y'all tonight, man. Been doing some experiment the last couple weeks, but I'm ready to unveil. Super simple. It's gonna be a super simple concept, but it's definitely been helping me out a lot.
Word. All that.
Dwayne. Okay, they coming in. They let them in the club, eh? Who came in? Dahlia, Dwayne, brother Greg.
You know it.
What's poppin'? Oh, you got the Lambo in the back today. You chilling in the Lambo. All right, then.
Hey, come on, baby. Gotta pop in on you, Doc.
Yeah, he in the Lambo today. You pushing that big boy today. I see you. See you, baby.
Hey,
I love this guy.
You never know what Greg gonna pull up in. Greg had the Bugatti in the back last week.
Come on, Doc.
Come on now. That boy catching big pips. Let's get it.
I'm trying.
Man, y'all gonna catch even more after the night, though. Real talk. All right, 13 people. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Everybody else just gonna have to file in late. They always file in late anyway. It's all good. We're gonna go and get it started. We ain't gonna waste no time. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Trying to figure something out real quick. Y'all bear with me. About to get this thing started. Okay.
This one y'all keep on right now.
All right, hold on a second, you guys. Lord Jesus. I bet.
singing.
Oh, I got some tunes in the back, Ty. You heard me humming.
Humming.
Oh, hold on, y'all. We about to get it popping. I set up my Facebook Live. Hopefully everybody doing good. Once again, I appreciate everybody jumping on with me. I gotta let some more folks in the club. This is a good time. Shout out to my boy Marcus. Shout out to Alexis. Mo WB.
What up?
What's popping? Oh yeah, let's get it, man. Y'all, appreciate y'all coming on with me. I know it's late. I don't know you guys' schedules, but you know, anytime you jump on these calls, it's great because it means that you blocked out time to come learn something new. So this is great. Drop a 1 if this is your first week with me. Besides Ella and Trail, they already told me. If this is your first time jumping on the trade trainer with me, drop a 1 in the chat. Brent, shout out to Brent. Nice to have you, my brother.
Appreciate it. Nice to be doing.
Oh yeah, for sure. Okay. Well, man, look, man, y'all actually came at a really good time. This is gonna be a very good first trade trainer for you guys. I'm gonna talk about one thing and one thing only. For all the newbies, make sure that you guys remind me. If I forget, remind me at the end of this trade training to send you guys or post in the group my 3 trade trainers from June. I did like a series of trade trainers in June, just breaking down what I look for before I go on the charts and analyze. Also, the first episode in this series is a lot about psychology and risk management. So if I forget, y'all remind me to do that, right? And we're gonna
Hey,
get right
AJ,
into
is
it.
any of that on your YouTube?
Yes, it's all on there.
Okay, cool.
It's the 6'4". If you've been on my YouTube channel before, and I dropped the name in here real quick, I'm gonna drop the name of my YouTube channel in the chat right here. A.J. Barringer FX. So it'll be the 6'4" 2020, the 6'11" 2020, and the 6'18" 2020. Y'all go peep that out. But let's cut straight to it. Let's cut straight to it. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna introduce an indicator to you guys that I think will help a lot of new traders out. So everybody that knows me knows that I don't really spend too much time talking about indicators. Like, I'm really like a price action guy, naked trader, if you will. But y'all, I found this and the people who've been with me, y'all know I teach moving averages 21.8. But I've been experimenting with this new indicator, and you guys, this is amazing, right? Now I know Mello has taught you guys about the whole, and y'all probably just saw it, but he talked y'all about the HMA. I know everybody in GTI has their own signature, but I'm gonna introduce you guys to Alligator tonight. The Alligator is.
I heard about that joint.
You heard about it?
Yeah.
I added this to my toolbox, what I already know, my brother, and this is.
It's legit.
Fam, I don't really like this is accurate, bro. I don't it's so accurate. The way I use it is scary.
Oh wow.
And you know, this Cordarius talking.
Yeah.
Cordarius, come on, bro. You know we got the meter.
Right.
I already got market structure down. You know what I'm saying? And with this Alligator, bro, like this is it, bro. Like I don't need nothing else. This is my sig. This is my signature. This is like my hook shot. Kareem, all my hoop fans, this is like my dirt one-legged fadeaway, my Kareem hook shot, my James Harden step back. This is what the Alligator is for me now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys how to find it. And some people that I've talked to, like some people on this call right now, we've had one-on-one, so you guys already kind of know about the Alligator because I've, talked to you guys about it briefly on one-on-one settings. So hold on, let me find my charger before it's down, y'all. 1 second. You don't have any more because it's of your life. Can everybody see my screen? If you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat.
1.
1.
That's funny.
1. That ain't nobody but Cordarius. I already know. I bet it up.
Not this time, bro.
Oh, that wasn't Cordarius. Who was that?
That was probably Greg.
Oh, it's brother. That was brother Lambo in the back.
Come on, bruh.
Brother Lambo. Check it out. So,
I'm sorry, brother AJ. That was me, man.
oh, that's the chairman. What's up, chairman?
What's up, man?
What's up, baby? You all right?
Thank you.
Man.
Okay, then. Hey, man, I'm just introducing some sauce to the group, man. Don't mind me.
Yeah, don't mind me, man. I'm just in here trying ready to receive it.
I bet. But yeah. Okay, you guys can see my screen. Great. So, what was I talking about? The alligator. Y'all know I love trend trading. You know, I talk about new traders. When you guys get those videos, what I'm saying tonight will make more sense. But I just wanted to really like simplify some stuff for some people. And I think this indicator will also be something. What's up, Aja? What's up, Edith? I think this will help some newbies, you know, learning curve. I think half of the technical side of trading is just finding out what trends you're in. And this is another thing that'll help you guys with that, right? So I'm gonna show y'all first of all how to find it, right? Go tradingview.com, come up here to the top, indicators and strategies, right? All you gotta do is type in ALL. It's already gonna be right here for you, right? Williams Alligator is what you want. It's already built in, right? Click that bad boy. You don't have to change the setting. You don't have to do anything to it. Throw it on your chart as it is, right? So let me tell you guys the rules of the alligator. All right. So the rules of the alligator strategy are, I'm gonna use the daily too. I'm gonna use the daily as my model. Perfect. All right. So the rules of the day, y'all might want to write this down too, like real talk. The rules of the day of the alligator are as follows. And you can make these colors these aren't even my real colors, but they default. These are the default colors. But so you can make your colors however you want them. But the rules of the alligator are, once this green, which this represents the lips, once this green crosses over above the pink, start revving your buy engines up, right? Once the green crosses over the pink and the blue, right? It's lit. It is lit. It's big lit. Super lit, right? So this has been really helpful also in terms of like, you know, holding trades. I've been trying to work on holding trades longer, wanting to get more of the big move. I think that's the next step for me personally as a trader. Look at Anaya. Anaya in the back chilling. So yeah, this has been very helpful with you know, entering and exiting trades, right? Because the dope thing about it is, the other rule is, once green, I'm gonna show you another example because this is a good buy example. If you come over here, once green hooks over pink, hooks below pink, and below blue, it's the same thing but for downtrends and sales. So literally, if you bought down here around this area, and this is an indicator, y'all. So indicators always lag based off of price action, right? That's why I preach structure first and then indicators. Once you know structures, you want to add indicators on for that backup confirmation, right? So I don't just jump. Who's dinosaur? Let's fix that. Who got a dinosaur? Greg, you messing in your background again, bro? Oh, all
I'm
right.
innocent,
Hey,
bro. I'm innocent.
Greg might be at Jurassic Park in his background. I had to ask. You never know with Greg, dog. So yeah. This is super accurate though, in terms of if you want to hold trades, or it works on every time frame, right? So yeah. Hold on. It's a lot of people in the line at the club, y'all. Hold on one second. All right. I think everybody's in here now. Cool. What was I saying? Oh yeah, lagging indicator. Lagging indicator, right? So I'm gonna show y'all a few examples of what I mean. Shout out to Alyssa. Alyssa, you normally ain't late, but we're gonna let you slide today. So when it crosses both lines, that's just a double confirmation. Whereas if it crosses one, yes, Aja, yes. If it crosses one, you can still change your bias to, if it's bullish. If it crosses above the pink, then start looking for the buy. But if it crosses over both, double confirmation, right? So does anybody know what time frame? What is my headquarter time frame? Who been rocking with me? Who know me? Who know me a little bit? 4 hour. Shout out to whoever. There you go. 4 hour, right?
4 for 4.
Facts. So I get my bias from my 4 hour time frame, right? The dope thing about GBP JPY and the alligator, well, not even GBP JPY, any pair, it don't matter. This works on SPX, NAS, Euro USD, US oil, Bitcoin. It don't matter. This works on everything. I'll show y'all this work. This is not like, it works on everything, right? Oh my God, nah, shut up today. Jesus Christ. The dope thing about it is if I get my bias from the 4 hour and structure is telling me that, okay, this is uptrending market structure, right? If the market structure is telling me that, and then I have a confirmation with my alligator, like my green is above my pink and my blue, then that means on every time frame below this, whether you like to trade off the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 1 minute, this would tell you I should only be looking for bullish setups, because the higher time frame is telling you, bruh, buy it. This is a buy. When I see my lips cross over my jaw and my teeth, and that's what the green is. The green is the lips. Fam, I am going to the smaller time frame to look for buy setups. Now, who in here can tell me what does an uptrend consist of?
Higher highs and higher lows.
That's Aja. I already know what time it is.
Yeah,
Aja being here killing. Let's get it. Aja, yes, higher highs and higher lows. Right. So with that being said, let's say you like to enter on the M5. You like to trade off the M5. You saw this happen. First of all, you had a nice little, this is one right here. You had a nice little, what kind of candle is this, you guys? This blue one. It's a what?
Engulfing.
What kind of engulfing?
Bullish.
There we go. I love y'all, man. Y'all shit. Yes, it's a bullish engulfing. So, you got that. A higher low was made. That's two confirmations. Higher low, bullish engulfing, 4 hour time frame. At this point, fam, we coming down to the lower time frames. Right? And your third confirmation is that your green, let's zoom in on it. Your green line crossed over your pink and your blue. And I'm assuming that probably happened after. Actually, I ain't assuming, because I called the signal earlier this week that was based on this. So that signal that I called Monday or Tuesday night, that came from market structure and alligator confirmation. For sure. Right? Now, what I should have did, but I didn't, because I took the same take profits y'all did. Right? I should have just held this since Tuesday. And I would have been up. Currently, I would have been up. If I would have entered right here. Yeah, man. I've been up 100 pips right now. And since this hasn't crossed over yet, this hasn't crossed back below the pink or the blue, I can still hold it, even with this retracement happening right now. Because all this going to do is come down and make a higher low somewhere over here. Drop a 1 if that makes sense.
Sounds like I should lot up right now.
That's Cordarius. Who's speaking?
Yes,
You're
sir.
right, see?
Okay, I figured. So, okay, good. Okay, y'all starting to get it. So, I'm going to show y'all. And the reason that the H4 time frame, bro, this is going to cross over and hook below different time frames, but I like to ride the wave of the pair. You know what I'm saying? So let me show y'all how y'all could have finessed this. Time frame correlation, right? Actually, no, let's make it fun. Let's go to the 5 minute. Right? So we know we're on the uptrend. 4 hour told us we're on the uptrend, right? Our bias is bullish. All right. So if you're looking at this on the 5 minute, y'all know what I say, no retest, no entry, right? So let's say you mark this up. Hold on, I'm chatting. Okay, cool. Let's say I mark this up as a resistance area or a lower high, right? You're on the 5 minute chart. Now you know what to look for because the 4 hour told you we should be looking for buys, right? On the 5 minute. Now you could have got in early based on the rules of the alligator. You could have gotten a little early down here because as you can see, price hooks above the pink, hooks above the blue. Once you have that, you could buy. And then, just put your stop loss below your low. Go on about your business, right? The safe bet would have probably been to wait for this to break, which it did. Gave you a slight little retest. You already know green over pink and over blue. You already know you bullish. So you could have either traded the breakout or you could have waited for the first higher low, right? We had a little 3 candle.
Can you go to the 1 minute though?
Go to the, that's top pips. I already know. That's top pips. That's a time frame. Let me see. Where we at? July 30th. Yeah. That would have been super sniper probably. Hold on. They're going to let me go back? Yeah. Jesus.
See, I'm gonna get that inverted head and shoulder down there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, more detail. You right.
We out.
You right. That higher low. Yeah.
Shoulder.
That's fire. Ty.
We out of there.
That's fire, cuz. Right there. That's my entry. I see a engulfing candle right there. Line it up with the alligator. Then you up. If I enter right there based on that 1 minute, 14 and 9 minutes.
The next part, the right shoulder, just because I would have wanted to make sure.
You said the right shoulder?
Yeah, because you know you got the left shoulder, then you got a head coming down. Like go where that consolidation is first.
At the line.
Somebody over here?
That's consolidation. That's your left
Right.
shoulder.
Yep.
And that's your head. And then look where the right shoulder is. Right there.
Boom. Yeah. So for the scalpers, y'all could have held this joint. And that is like me, if I was a 1 minute,
How many
I was a
minutes?
1 minute guy, I wouldn't even thought about closing this until like right here, based on the rules of the alligator. And that's 32 pips in less than an hour.
Let's get it.
32 pips in less than an hour. Y'all matched it up with y'all lot sizes. Y'all know how much that can be in less than an hour, bro. Right?
So I have a question.
Please ask.
Are you placing your stop loss on your 5 minute or?
That depends. So that depends on what time frame you're entering off of. Okay. Right? So let's say that we was entering on the 1 minute time frame, like right here, right? Me, I put my stop loss below this low and rock out. Right? Because if price breaks this, that means that I shouldn't be buying no way. That means I'm all the way wrong.
Right.
Right? But structure, this higher low getting made, and so because it was making a lower highs and lower lows, but price gave you a higher low.
Right. That's why you entered on that.
Boom. Yep. So which tells me that buyers getting stronger. Then I got my crossover to pink, got my crossover to blue. Now I know I can buy that thing up.
Got you.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if I was basing it off the 1 minute, I'll put it below that low, couple pips, maybe a 10 pip stop loss.
What you need?
Take it up.
Heard you, Ty.
Take it up. Shout out to Top Pips, man. Shout out to Top Pips for sure. So yeah, on that 5 minute, if you enter after it crossed down here, all right? Now, honestly, I wouldn't have entered down here because I like this is my backup. The alligator, my backup. I always choose structure first, right? But if you did, I'm just saying, if you did enter down here after alligator cross, it's probably this candle. Price doesn't cross over into the pink until like after this candle, and that's 83 pips, 7 hours. Just from you knowing, this is good for the newbies to know what trend y'all in. So if y'all use the alligator, I know we got hella educators in here with hella different concepts, but if y'all use the alligator, fam, you know you shouldn't be selling nothing. You shouldn't be selling GJ at all if green is over pink and blue. If you're using the alligator, right?
So you would get out when the green crosses back under, pretty much.
Yeah, that would be my inner. This is great. This was great for me when I found out about this, bro, because this was great for me to like. I know that I don't have to exit until it crosses back under, or if it's a downtrend, I don't have to exit until it crosses back over. So once I get in down here at the low, I can chill until I get a cross down. Once I get a cross down, because if I enter down here, bro, like, fam, I can chill. Like, that's a great, you want to buy low, right? So even if I don't catch the whole 100, once price crosses under the pink, I still caught 83. Ain't nobody mad at 83 pips, bro.
Never.
Right? You're not mad at 83 pips at all. You throw a standard on 83 pips, but that's $830 in less than 8 hours.
Don't got the heart for that yet. It's coming though.
I'm just saying, if you throw a 0.5 on it, it's like 400 plus. You know, not telling nobody. I'm not again. I'm not telling nobody to do anything hasty. I'm just saying, right?
Don't go crazy.
Don't go crazy. We still applying risk management. We still applying risk management. I know there's some folks on the trade training call right now licking their chops. But if you're a long-term person, you know.
I was marking up GJ yesterday, man, and it was like 50 pips off from my trading view.
Yeah, shut up. Is it? Yeah.
What time did you check it?
Man.
If it was at 5 o'clock, between 5 and 6, y'all know how that go.
It was sometime in the morning.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, bro. But I just want to show y'all a daily example real quick, right? So if I was looking at the daily, and I know y'all probably don't trade the daily, like I know it's probably a low number of people that use this time frame, but the daily is like
basically if the green is the lick. If the green is on top of the red and the blue, it's going to a buy. If
yes,
the green is under both of these, it's a sell.
Yes. Yeah. Pretty much.
Stop loss. How you figure out your stop loss, or you just let it ride? That's what he's saying. You go based off of
How do you figure out the stop? All right, so let's say
I would think that you would look at market.
Yeah, I'm gonna get to that. So let's say, because I like to enter on the M15 and M30, right? So I'm about to go down to the M15. Right. So let's say this area right here. I'm gonna zoom in down here at this little triple bottom that was made. Right. This price come down. It's made its first lower high. Came down, lower low. Right. Boom. Lower high. Got a little equal low. Didn't really break this area. Right. So this is pretty much a triple bottom area down here. Right. If I draw a line, actually I'm gonna draw a zone. Right. Draw my zone. Right. Based off these wicks down here. Let's say I'm watching price. I'm trying to figure out, all right, I know my H4 is bullish on my entry, right? Right here. This price tries to come down and it tests this area again, right? Then you get a bullish candle. That's not an engulfing. So y'all know I don't enter if I don't see some kind of engulfing or variation, right? But the next candle closes above this candle, bounces off this zone, right? And then it also crosses. Like in real time, this is probably like green crossing over pink, right? So I would buy this based off, I know I got a triple bottom. I know I got a green over pink, and I will put my stop loss 5 to 10 pips below this wick because I'm entering off of this candle. Market execution. Y'all know I don't really do buy limits and sell limits. That ain't me, right? So I would come to this wick, and I'm real precise. Like I really come to this wick and see I'm at 135.32 at this wick. I'll probably put my stop loss at like, it's GVP, so I wouldn't play with it. I'll probably put my stop loss at like 135.22 down here. So you enter at, that's kind of steep, but with GJ, you don't need a big lot size to come up. So I'll put it right there and let it rock. And the stop loss would have never got hit, as you can see. So you just want to base your stop loss. If you're buying, you should base your stop loss off of, it should come below, because you should be entering at a higher low or a low anyway for a buy. So you're going to put your stop loss below that last low, below the wick of that last low. If it's a sell, you're going to put your stop loss above the wick of the last high that structure is based on for that time frame, if that makes sense. That makes sense, y'all? Drop a one if that makes Drop a one if that makes sense. Shanice, is this Shanice? Alyssa, is this Shanice?
That be
Hi.
Shanola.
All right, Shanice, yo, we're gonna talk about it tomorrow. Head and shoulders. We're gonna break that down tomorrow on Zoom.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So I say all this to say, you guys, once you have your structure down and you know what trends you're in on the higher time frame, which for me, y'all know it's the H4. Match that up with the alligator, and then pretty much just take it down to your lower time frames, whether it's the 30, the 15, the 5, the 1. Now, let's go to something else, because y'all like SPX and Nas. Let's go to Nas today. Pete, what's going on with Nas right now? Nas shot up today. I'm mad because me and Alyssa was talking about Nas earlier, and Nas was right here. Nas up here. I ain't getting none of that. I'm hot. And I saw it hook. I saw it hook above my pink and my blue. I was like, man. It never retested though. So I was like, I should have just got in on the breakout, right?
That's what kept you out, yeah.
Yeah, nah, it's coming down. No, don't trip.
Indicator
What goes up must come down.
Sure.
Right? So
can't be playing around with them indices like that.
Man, listen, you can't. You got. That's why I'm so precise with them. I'm like, I'm waiting for the retest. All right. So right here, y'all. I know y'all been seeing Nas a lot in the group. If you active, unless you got the group muted or something. Which you shouldn't have the group muted, but that's a different conversation. I'm in a sale right now for the scalp off the engulfing. My boy Micah. Hold on, let me see what you got going on. You in a sale off the engulfing. Which engulfing? What time frame that's based off of? Oh, gotta be the 15. Talking about the 15, Michael. The 16 minute time frame?
I think you mean a 15.
Oh, all right, my bad.
Yeah, probably 15.
Oh, man, the finger slipped, my bad. All right, check it. Okay. He in the sale. Okay, for sure. Let me see what like on the 5. Yeah. Even on this, that's crazy. Green over pink. Green over pink. Price coming down. He probably, yeah, that would have been a nice little sale down for a scalp. Me, I'm waiting for the buy, personally. This is a buyer's market, so I don't have a problem, waiting for that retest to happen in form. But it's got to go down to go back up. So, y'all do with that what you will. AJ waiting for the buy, though. That's the big move. Because I know on the H4, them teeth, them lips and them teeth and them jaws looking mad vicious for the buy right now. Right? So I'm gonna wait for this good old retest. And we got resistance areas that got broken on the H4. I might call a Nas signal next week. Next week, this bad boy going up. That's just facts.
I have another question.
Please ask.
Can you explain, I was a little late, what the lips, the teeth, and the jaw, which color is which?
Okay, so I don't have that down pat yet. I'm at the sheet. The lips are my green.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna just grab a picture.
So you guys can like color your alligator any color you want to color him or her. If you want to make your alligator red, black, and blue, then you can do that. Just know that your lips is the key. Once your lips cross over your teeth and your jaw, then that's what you need to pay attention to.
Thank you.
No problem. So, yeah, man. Anybody have any questions? Because I think this is super simple.
It's more of an entry confirmation.
Exactly. This is more of a entry confirmation and an exit confirmation. So if y'all want to hold y'all trades a little longer, this will help with that too, right? No matter what the time frame is. If you wanted to scalp knives on the 1 minute, right? So yeah, Micah good for the sale right now. Y'all see how up here? This the 1 minute time frame. All right, boom. Green crossed over the pink. Green crossed over the blue. You know, if you was a scalper and you saw that support was broken, boom, lower high, drop. Right? So if Micah entered up here, and Micah, I'm only using your name so much because you're actually selling this right now. If Micah sold up here after this cross down, Micah ain't got his team. Like, using the rules of Alligator, he doesn't have to close this until they cross back over. He could just hold and just chill, bro. And that would have been, that's...
The only thing I would use that for is whether I need to hold or not. I would only use Alligator if I was in a trade.
19 pips in 30 minutes. And on Nas, you already know. That's a lot. Right?
Profit every single time. Yeah. And I would check.
Any questions?
Yeah. So then if vice versa, if you were in a buy and you saw it crossing over, you would leave the trade.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so if I was in a buy, like if I had bought it like over here somewhere, once I saw this crossover, I need to get out.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right? Yeah. Unless, I mean, it's overall bullish, right? On the 4 hour, this is my base, y'all. I'm always gonna come back here. Right? On the 4 hour, you knew. So I mean, if you bought down here, or if you bought after this candle closed down here, then you can still hold it. That's just based on entry. If you still held your trade down here, you know, you can hold it. You can do that with trading.
It's wicking at that first big engulfing, like at the first high. Go all the way back to the left though. Some more to that first high. Yeah, like you see where that engulfing pattern is?
Yeah, right here.
Institutional candle.
Mm-hmm. That's probably gonna be a key level.
So you see how if you put it underneath where the body closed on the baby candle, the bullish one, the bearish candle? Yeah.
This one? This candle?
No, the other one. The little one.
Or to the right?
The small candle that's part of the bullish engulfing pattern.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, like if you put your resistance right under the close of that one. Like you see where you got that where price is currently at?
Yeah, right here.
But if you put a resistance line right under the close of the small candle, yeah, but underneath it the other way. Yeah, like right there. It's retesting that key zone right now.
Yep. Well, that sounds like that smart money, Ty. I see you.
Smart money right there.
Hey, that sounds like that smart money talk. I see you. But yeah.
Wait, that gives me a question. So Ty, if it's retesting that area, what does that mean? It's about to consolidate?
Well, he on a higher time frame, but on a smaller time frame, you saw it was giving you lower lows. That's because it's basically it might just drop down first before it start retesting.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, like you see how it's creating lower lows already. But now you got a bullish engulfing, so
it's just
that's why you got to look at the high time frame, like he said, because technically we in an uptrend. So this would have been a nice move to catch if you'd have
caught it up top. Yep.
Because if you look where he got the green line, right where that bullish engulfing is, right there on the 1 minute, you see how it's right underneath. Yep. So that's your breakout, your bullish engulfing. You got the retest, and you take the trade.
Yep.
Money. Money.
I see.
Money. So yeah, Ty, she killed a 1 minute. I killed a 15 and a 5. So, that just depends on y'all style though. You know what I'm saying? Hold on one
second. Can I ask you a question on the 4 hour?
Yep. What's popping?
So like right now where this is, are you looking for your entry to be at where your last support is drawn at that green? Is that what you're looking for?
Talking about this right here?
Yeah.
Nah, I just marked this up just to show folks that a resistance was broken.
So you are looking for bars. Are you looking for it to break above that green line first?
Nah, I'm just looking for any kind of, first of all, for the buy. Hold on. Let me look at something real quick before I answer your question. Honestly, Ty, I'm not waiting for it to retest that because on the M30, y'all know every time frame got its own structure. Right?
Right.
So honestly, I'm waiting to see a pullback for me on either the M30 or the M15. Right? Then I want to see like a bullish engulfing happen. Because if I pull my fib out, because you can't pull a fib out until you have a confirmed resistance area if you're looking for buys. Right? So hold on, let me let Greg back in the club. He must have had to go to the bathroom or something. I need to see some kind of pullback with my engulfing, and then I'll buy it up. But I wouldn't enter my buy right here because obviously it's too high, and I don't got the confirmation that I need to take it. But my bias is bullish, so I need to see more bullish setups on my 30, my 15, my 5, whichever one I see it clearest on. And right now it look like price about to pull down. Right.
Okay, so maybe that's why I be missing it. Because on the 4 hour, I'm waiting for it to go too low.
Mm-hmm.
And I should more so be looking more closer to like the 30 minute for that retracement.
Yeah. So like let me see what it like on the 5 minute. Now that's why the 1 minute is dope though, because the 1 minute it'll give you clues. Like it'll give you clues to what price is like where the first retracement is coming in. Right? But right here on the M5, this is support. So I got Greg keep coming in and out. I gotta see what price does around this area. If it holds, if it breaks, if it holds down here, maybe you buy it up, but that's still kind of high for me because I'm always trying to figure out where I am with the higher time frames. Right? On the 1 hour, this looks like a high. Like if this candle closes like this, I'm gonna be watching the next candle because it's looking like price is starting to transition down, but we gotta wait and see. I saw divergence on the 15.
But I have a question.
What's popping?
Regardless, since that was impulse, you would be looking for it to at least retrace 50%, right? Or
Nah, that's safe. 50 is safe, but I mean it could retrace 38.2 and go up. 50 safer though, because the steeper the retrace, the safer it is. Yeah, I know what I say about 23.6 is like I got them on my chart, but that's just to clock continuation moves. But you know, it depends.
I have a question.
It's proper.
So it's actually fun. Okay, so you just went down the time frame, but I was just about to ask,
You may go back to the 4 hour?
Yeah, that's fine. So where it's wicking right there at the blue line, is that what on the lower time frame would be a retracement?
Nah, this line was 5-minute support. Yeah.
Okay.
That was 5-minute support.
So you still needed to break that.
That would confirm that the retrace down is happening.
Okay.
Because look, if I pull the fib out from here to here, and my apologies if y'all don't know, if y'all haven't did Fibonacci yet, to those who haven't, but if I pull the fib out from here to here, it's sitting on 61. It wicked to 61.8.
Mm-hmm.
And but it could still come all the way down to 100 and still be good for the uptrend. If it breaks this area, then we know Nas really coming down in this retracing.
Okay. Even if you're getting engulfings?
Yeah, well, if I get an engulfing, then this thing probably gonna push back up.
Okay.
But I haven't got one. And this looking real weak too. Okay. So we definitely can't buy nothing right now.
I see. Okay.
And my green is down below my pink. So I can't buy it.
Right.
So you know.
Not a good entry.
Yeah, not a good entry at all. Questions? Anybody need more clarity on anything? My boy Greg got the draft with it. God, you in the bubble, bro? You in the bubble, bro? You about to sign a deal?
Hey, bro, me and Ty, we in that thing.
Questions? Anybody? I'm gonna be real, y'all. I ain't got much more, so I just wanted to come here and talk about it tonight.
I'm actually curious about what homie put in the chat right now about like what happened with the US dollar and the league.
What Gilberto was talking about?
Yeah.
Well, Cordarius, what does the meter reader say about the USD, my brother?
Man, it's been sucking all week. I'm pretty sure it's still.
I got you, Brent. I'm gonna put them in the I put them in the family group.
Oh God, yeah, it's weak on all time frames right now.
The US dollar?
Yeah, it is.
All right, let's look at Euro USD then.
Hey, AJ, this going to be recorded?
Is that Meech?
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
What's up, huh?
Yeah, I got you. It's recorded, bro.
Where you giving out too much juice, man.
Yeah, it's recorded, bro. I'm gonna post it tonight.
Bet.
US dollar week. Hold on. USD JPY. Oh my God. Yeah, it's weak then. Y'all see what I'm saying though? This on the 1 hour.
Yeah, just wait for a retest and you lit.
You lit. Tough. Green below the pink and the blue. If you got in up here, you could have just held it. I see engulfing candles. You know what I'm saying? Boom. It dropped 85. Hold on, what's like on the 4 hour? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. We had a break. We had a break right here. A retest. Lower high. Bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing candle. Boom. Drop. Damn. I'm gonna just assume that's 250 pips. So if y'all saw this with the alligator on the 4 hour on USDJPY, there's no way that you could have been buying this. You could have put in a blind sale like Cordarius be doing sometime and just been in profit.
Don't do that.
You could have just threw in a blind sale in the live.
Not a blind sell.
Man, Cordarius be throwing no look trades. Y'all don't even know. He told me.
The no look,
He
bro.
be throwing no looks. He got the meter reader and now he got the alligator slit. Pips on pips. Pips on pips, bro. 0.01s only. Hey, but look though. 0.01 on this. Bro, 0.01 on this $25.
Over 7 days.
That's what's listen, what bank getting you that in 7 days? Nobody.
Man, ain't nobody standing no trade 7 days, dog. I'm sorry.
Absolutely not. My anxiety is all through the roof. Absolutely not.
Y'all ain't got that 7-day juice. One
Bro,
day.
I barely got 7 hour juice. I be waking up in the middle of the night like, man, check my phone, man.
Bro, you waking up in a sweat, bro. We just talked about that last week.
Nah, I ain't waking up in the sweat.
All right.
I'm just waking up.
I am.
AJ, you gotta chill with them last slices. You too, Greg.
Man, nah. Chill out. Chill out. I held a few for 2 weeks. That's fire. That's fire. That's fire.
What educator you went to learn this?
Man, I'm gonna keep it real, bro. I was just thumbing through indicators, bro. I'm gonna keep it hot.
Okay.
I was thumbing through indicators because I've been trying to battle with like, I be changing my moving averages sometimes, like the settings. Like I was using like the 21 MA and the 8 EMA, then I changed it to the 18. Then I changed it to a bigger one, right? And then I came over here one day and I was just playing around in the indicators. And then it stumbled. I said, alligator? What is alligator? And then I put it on my chart. And I just only picked the alligator because I was like, wait, there's an indicator called the Williams alligator. All right, bet. And then, I put it on my chart and it just made sense. I back tested it. That's why I've been working on it for like 2-3 weeks. That's why I ain't busted out last week or the week before, because I was still like trying to like navigate through it. But I've been using it, and like it's like for a new trader, like this is like training wheels for like trying to figure out what trends you in. So, you know, I just held on to it. Questions.
GTI need to make their own indicator, man.
Man, that would be dope.
I don't even know how you do that, but that'd be fun.
I have no idea, my brother. That's why I ain't got an answer for you. I don't even know how you do that, but that would be dope though. That would be hella dope. Questions.
This was good, bro. Appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah.
If you feel like you learned something tonight, drop some flame in the chat.
Flame.
Say what?
Nobody can find it.
Good. I appreciate y'all, man. So yeah, man, I think, you know, if y'all got this down pat, bro, y'all good, man. Y'all good. Can't find the emoji. Yeah, you good. So yeah, always know where you are. You don't have to enter based off the H4. You just want to get your bias from the H4. Once you got your bias, or if you like the H1, I mean, the H4 is a little bit more clear than the H4, but whatever you want to get your bias from, get it from whatever time frame that is. For me, that's the H4. And then from there, man, you just go down to the lower time frames and you start finessing the market for entry. Simple. That's it. So yeah, y'all. This is recorded. I will post this ASAP as soon as it gets done converting. Y'all get this money. It's about to be London session, my favorite session. I might drop a SIG if I see something clean. But yeah, man, that's it. Question, concern, last call for alcohol. Questions, concerns? No? All right. Y'all, I'm gonna holler at you. Appreciate y'all jumping on. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, bro.
Already.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem.
Thanks, AJ.
No problem.